Hi everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for the ongoing support. It means a huge amount. And remember to follow the page if you like these videos, and I'll keep trying the daily reels as much as I can. But today's video and song is one that is steeped in Irish history, and it's one that not many people might be aware of the history when we sing it. Because if you're an Irish history fan or a Jacobite fan or a fan of the series Outlander, well then this is a song you might enjoy, because this is a song for the Irish perspective supporting Bonnie Prince Charlie. And in the song, they refer to Bonnie Prince Charlie as Magilla Mar, my gallant hero. Because at the time in Ireland, during the anti-Catholic penal laws that were in place, well, the thought of having a Catholic king was something that they really rallied behind and supported. So this is a song from the Irish supporting the Bonnie Prince Charlie movement, the Jacobite movement. And I hope you enjoyed. This is a song called Magilla Mar.
Mar squealig an buchel bio is na reeved her tourisk ug ma vron shame lech ma gelam mar shame ma hazer gelam mar ni hor is feinin to na shane oh get a mar.